Step 1, I'm going to weed eat this completely down and then see what we have. Here's the experiment. It's 90 degrees plus, it's going to be up higher today. So I laid down black metal. This is from the recycled out of the dumpsters that I use for different things. But I laid this down and my theory is it's going to burn the grass. I would say I'd really need 72 hours to make it happen. The experiment really is how long will it last before somebody at Olivet says something about it. So it'll be a educational opportunity. So the experiment that we're doing with just burning out the grass and weeds and stuff by using just this recycled metal is working pretty good. Check it out. Burn it away on these 90 degree, 89 degree days. It's pretty easy. Time to update you on the Burn Baby Burn project, using the metal to burn off the grass. We had some exceptional rain, so we didn't get the 90 degree days like I thought we were going to, but it worked pretty good. So I braked it off a little bit. I pulled up the most invasive grass area, and then for me, I'm laying down some cardboard that I soaked and going to put landscaping paper over top of it. Mainly I do this as an extra layer of weed prevention and plus recycling cardboard. Update on the garden project by the road. Today is time to put the mulch down.